In this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Hyperliquid. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can initiate a withdrawal request on Hyperliquid and receive any funds that you have made. So to do this, check your balances here at the bottom left corner of the screen, and you should find the withdraw option. So within the Hyperliquid interface, navigate to the wallet or account section and choose withdraw. It is usually going to be located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you select withdraw, you will need to specify cryptocurrency. So in this example here, USDC, and you can choose max to add the entirety of the value that you have available, or specify the amount here. If your account is not connected, you will be prompted to connect it now. After it is connected and you specify the amount, you can choose the withdraw option. If you are using something like MetaMask, you will see a message like this: signature request, review the details. So the request will be from Hyperliquid, including all of the details about this transfer. So it is going to be a withdrawal request. The destination here is going to be your account. The amount will be displayed here according to how much you decided to send. And then all that you have to do is confirm. There's no secret to this. Be aware of any included fees. In this example here, during the time that I'm recording this video, there is a flat $1 fee. So for every transfer that you make, there is going to be a $1 fee. Keep that in mind, because this can cut into a lot of the value if you send small amounts. And always make sure that you are on the official Hyperliquid website. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.